Hey everyone, today we're making eggs benny on an English muffin, but with a twist, we're adding avocado and smoked salmon. Let's get started. Let's begin by adding a few inches of water to a pot and bringing it to a simmer. Next, we're going to add 1 egg yolk to a heat-safe bowl, placing it on top of the pot, making sure it's not touching the water. Let's add a squeeze of lemon juice and melt down a 1/4 stick of non-salted butter. We're going to slowly add this into the egg mix while constantly whisking. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to taste.
I think it's just about done.
It's time to take it off the stove and transfer it into a thermos. Shout out to Jamie Oliver. I learned this from him. It really does work and keeps the sauce nice and hot for hours. Now, melt some butter into a pan, not as much as I did. I way overdid the butter here, but that's okay. We're gonna sear our English muffins until they're nice and crispy. Let's cut an avocado in half and peel the skin off. Thinly slice the avocado. Hey, you can even use a fillet knife like I did. Let's top this combo off with 2 slices of salmon. It's now time to bring a pot of water to a boil. Turn the heat down until the water is no longer bubbling. We're also going to add in some white vinegar. Here's the fun part. Let's create a whirlpool in the pot. You have to wait for the perfect time to add your egg in, when it's not too strong and not too weak. You can crack your egg into a separate bowl and drop it into the water, or you can do like I do and just crack it directly into the pot. After 4 minutes, you have a perfectly poached medium egg. Don't forget to remove any excess water with a paper towel.
Well, that is how you make an eggs benny with a little twist. Let's add the hollandaise sauce.
This dish is also known as Eggs Royale.
That looks delicious. So I like my eggs medium. That's perfect if you ask me. All that's left is to see if this tastes as good as it looks. It's actually dripping everywhere. Let's give it a shot. Not gonna lie, I've impressed myself. This is really, really good. I'm gonna finish this real quick, probably make another one. So thanks for tuning in to Matt Makes Meals, aka See you in the next video.